At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a VR, virtual reality, business can be an exciting venture, especially considering the growing interest in VR technology across various industries. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the VR market to understand the demand, competition, target audience, and potential niches. Identify the industries or sectors where VR technology is in demand or has growth potential, such as gaming, education, healthcare, real estate, or training. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, revenue model, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Consider whether you'll offer VR hardware, software development, VR experiences, or a combination of these. 3. Choose your niche. Determine your specific focus within the VR industry. Will you create VR content, develop VR hardware, provide VR services, or operate VR experiences? Choose a niche that aligns with your expertise and market demand. 4. Legal structure and registration. Decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc., and register your company with the appropriate authorities. Ensure compliance with local regulations and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. 5. Funding. Determine how you will finance your VR business. Options include personal savings, loans, investors, crowdfunding, or government grants. Create a detailed budget to understand your financial needs and seek funding accordingly. 6. Develop your VR offering. If you're developing VR content or hardware, assemble a team of skilled professionals with expertise in VR development, programming, design, and engineering. Create compelling VR experiences or products that meet the needs of your target market. 7. Hardware and software. Invest in high-quality VR equipment, including headsets, controllers, sensors, and computers with sufficient processing power. Depending on your business model, you may also need VR development software and tools. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and marketing strategy to promote your VR business. Utilize online and offline channels such as social media, websites, industry events, and partnerships to reach your target audience. 9. Build partnerships. Collaborate with other businesses, content creators, or VR developers to expand your reach and enhance your offerings. Form strategic partnerships with VR hardware manufacturers, software developers, or industry associations. 10. Launch and iterate. Launch your VR business and continuously gather feedback from customers to improve your products or services. Stay updated on emerging VR technologies and trends, and be prepared to adapt your business strategy accordingly. 11. Provide excellent customer support. Offer responsive customer support to address any issues or questions that arise from your clients. Positive word of mouth can significantly impact the success of your VR business. 12. Scale your business. As your VR business grows, consider scaling operations, expanding into new markets, or diversifying your offerings. Continuously innovate to stay ahead of the competition and remain relevant in the dynamic VR industry. Starting a VR business requires careful planning, dedication, and a deep understanding of both the technology and the market. With the right strategy and execution, you can build a successful venture in this exciting and rapidly evolving industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.